Hi, this is Fran with Stampendous, and I wanted to feature some things from our July catalog and show you how to tie in some mix and match ideas. So I wanted to start with, we've had the WindowRama dies, which were so fun, and the key idea was that you could fit them in an A2 card and pop them up and have a wonderful three-dimensional little shadow box of sorts, our WindowRama. But now, in addition to that, we've added the dome shaker die set, and you can see here how the dies would allow you to do just a simple oval, or to make it into a glass dome or the jar. And the one set will accommodate all of these different variations, including the gumball. But anyway, now I wanted to show you how you've got so many more options of new and old images that would work really well for this format. And let's see, this new little scenic winter scene here with the little birch trees, you can see how versatile it is, and the idea would be that you can combine it with any number of other images, from snowmen to the puppy dogs or the kitties, and by popping up and making some three-dimensional layers, you can do a lot of really fun images, either on the front or in layers inside. And this one has the little oval cutouts for messages you can emboss on foil plaque and make some real fun options that way. Then I wanted to show you a crossover idea here. So now, using a circle and the base from the dome jar, you can make a round snow globe. Or 3D it so that you can do a shaker element behind. So the Birch Birdie stamp that you see in its entirety, stamped twice, gives you a lovely option for the gift wallet. And I die cut the shape to stamp into, and I cut away one little strip at the top to give you that blue edge at the bottom. So that one scene, you can see how versatile it is to give you all sort of backdrops to any theme of stamps you want to play with.